Good afternoon to the world and to all those on Facebook Live. So little reschedule timing. Just did a painful 13.1 half marathon run. So I'm happy, satisfied, but like I said to you, rather painful when I did it. But anyway, that's not the reason why you hopefully are tuning in for, the reason why I'm actually giving this lecture. So the 24th in the series of the New World series is entitled Reason for New 10 Commandments. Now, there may be some that may seem it is rather pretentious or arrogant or even sinful to even propose that somehow there should be a tablet of 10 new commandments. Well, my simple answer to that is religion, like science, like life, is ever evolving. Okay. I claim that I've discovered my God using science. Okay. I calculate the expansion rate of the universe. I calculate the genetic genome sequence of God. Now, could I have done that 2,000 years ago? Highly unlikely, because back then, quantum mechanics, relativity wasn't known. It didn't mean the ancient were stupid. In fact, the ancient had a lot of great knowledge, which in time modern society have lost. But the time has changed. And religion, just like science, just like the way of life, has to evolve to that changing lifestyle. So even this new 10 commandments that I claim are relevant for our time will likely change in the future. Of course, there are certain things like thou shalt not kill. That's an obvious one, right? Obviously, unless you to protect yourself. Of course, therefore, thou shalt not mutilate, rape. There's obviously hello. There's this obvious moral code in life that are inherently within there. Okay, but like one of the original 10 Commandments that Moses brought up, thou shalt respect the Sabbath. Of course. And I'm not saying thou shalt not, but when is the Sabbath? I mean, as a Muslim, as a Christian, as a Jew, and you're going to get different days, right? So which God is the better God? Which Sabbath is the better Sabbath? So, so we can have long debate, but why? Why should we have such long debate? Therefore, the new 10 Commandments takes those kind of ambiguity out. It puts, just like the one God, one religion, purely on facts. And the reason why I developed these new 10 Commandments, or want to develop, given to me whatever you want to philosophize where it came from, is that these new 10 Commandments are designed so that they can be encoded, I repeat, encoded and applied into artificial intelligence. Now, again, artificial intelligence, well, unless you believe in aliens, blah, 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 did not exist 2,000 years ago. And if they did, they only came down to see us and say bye, okay? But now artificial intelligence is relevant. It is robotics, the entities that are the big supercomputer can outthink a human being, can beat human being. Not games that are just logic, but games that require, like, the Chinese Go, the chess, the computational capacity of the supercomputer is already an order of magnitude compared to what a human brain can compute. Okay? So the reality is, yes, religion, as I said, like science, like the way of life, has to evolve, And this is the reason why this new 10 Commandments, which I'm going to read to you, is relevant for our time. It may change in 100 years because humanity is exponentially growing. So what may have taken 1,000 years will likely only take hundreds or even decades. So, but again, I'm not going to be around at that time to figure that out. But these are the 10 Commandments which I genuinely believe are relevant for our current society. So I'm going to read them out, and I apologize. I didn't put my contact lenses on right now, so I'm going to hold my cell phone right close to me, which I know a lot of people say, oh, you should be doing that, But So I understand, but just for this time, okay? So I'm going to read the new 10 commandment, okay? Commandment 1, we shall seek justice and righteousness within ourselves before we can judge others. Commandment 2, we shall allow without dissent for religious worshippers believing in love before hate and freedom before slavery. Commandment 3, we shall not commit harm against innocent souls, use force only in defense and without cruelty. Commandment 4, we shall not steal the possession of others, be it property or creativity. Commandment 5, we shall seek to protect the meek, support the, I'll go back to Commandment 5, we shall seek to protect the weak, support the meek, and use our strength and courage to build admiration and not oppression. Commandment 6, we shall lead by example and not coercion, allow for the diversity of all peaceful life without discrimination. Commandment 7, we shall not submit falsehood nor make gains through untrue facts and wrongful acts. Commandment 8, we shall not needlessly destroy any benevolent creations of humanity or nature. Commandment 9, we shall oppose warfare and conquest and only occupying lands in rightful manners that can be justified by increased worth. And Commandment 10, we shall continue to seek knowledge and wisdom, for only truth will lead to eternal survival and higher evolution. So those are the 10 new commandments that are not only relevant for our time, but can be encoded into artificial intelligence to protect us, our own creator, from our own creations. God bless you all, and I'll see you tomorrow for the prayers for humanity. Thank you.